everyone. My name is Siva Prasad Bhandari, and I am a chief editor at currencyhack.com, and I am a director of the Shiba Digital Solution. I got a lots of question about the stellar lumen, how you can participate in the stellar lumens airdrop. If you don't know about the stellar lumen you airdrop, uh, we can see that here in news, in the Coindex. Uh, Stellar to give away 2 billion XLM valued at dollar 120 million today. So they announced on September 9. I would like to read the first article here. The Stellar Development Foundation and Messaging Service Keybase announced Monday a 2 billion XLM airdrop, the largest in Stellar 5 air history, worth roughly 120 million over the next 20 months. Keybase user can expect monthly airdrop of 120 million of XLM. Keybase currently has 300,000 active users across its various and service, according to the company. If you want to learn more about this news, you can always head to the Coinbase, or you can type in the Google Stellar XLM news, and then you will get the airdrop news here. And in my previous video I talk about the how to get the stellar, and here in currencyhack.com we are trying to give you the uh, cutting edge news which will help you to become some financial freedom. And we don't want to give you the something like the misleading news or something like the misleading videos. So that I came back here, I realized that there was some accidentally misunderstood in my video. That's why I came here to get the remember that to get the 1 million worth of stellar airdrop in your account, you need to have a GitHub account which was created before 9/09/2019, and you have to install the Keybase in 3 devices. It might be your two computer, Windows computer, Mac computer, as well as the Linux, or maybe two Mac, two Windows, any uh, anyone can work, and you have to verify you in the Twitter. So in my previous video, of course, I was failed mm, to verify myself in the GitHub account, because my GitHub account was created on 11th of 09 and 2019, 11th of the September. Remember that you have to create the it must be created before the September 9, or maybe in September 9. And we have a reply here wrong. It was not successful for you to join in airdrop after. Yeah, of course it was not successful in joining the airdrop, but I asked my friend to give her GitHub account, and I use her GitHub account to show you. All you have to do is download the Keybase account. Go to the Keybase here to get the airdrop. Keybase here, and download install the Keybase. And after that, all you have to do is create an account using the application. Either it can be application, or either you can create on the website. And then all you have to do is share in the if you are using the computer here, in the view profile, there is an option to identities. You can add your Twitter, probably, like of course you might made it before the 9 September, and the GitHub account which was created by 9. I recommend you to, if you have any GitHub account which was created before 9 September 2019, it's better to use your. But if you don't have, ask your friend to give you their GitHub account, so that you will use their GitHub account to get the airdrop 120 million worth of the stellar. And then all you have to do is and create an address from here. Click here, and please let me know if you have any question, or if you misunderstood into my videos, because I want my reader, I want my video watcher to to understand fully in our every video, so that it will help to you becomes a financial freedom. And in final, to get the video something like this, something like the airdrop, passive income, how we can make the money in internet and everything, don't forget to subscribe into our channel currencyhack.com, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Don't forget to like us on Facebook. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, and don't forget to connect us in the LinkedIn. So I would like to repeat it. To eligible to get the KV, like 1 million worth of stellar in airdrop, all you need is GitHub account which was created before 9 September 2019, and install the keybase in 3 devices. They might be the 2 mobile phones or your computer, and verify you in Twitter, verify your account in the Twitter. And let's move forward. After you install the uh, um, keybase in your computer, all you have to do is go to the setting, and there is a option, if you want to add a device, there is a option to add a device here. I have a 3 device. All you have to do is add a device or paper key, which device you would like to add. Click on the device that you want to add. So if you want to add a phone, just click on the add a device and add a phone, and then go to the mobile phone. Into your mobile phone, it might be Android or Linux, and you will and go to the I believe that I believe that just give me a second. All we have to do is in your mobile phone. mm, uh, I'm trying to find out what do you need to do in mobile phone before I did it, but uh, go to your profile, and go to the mm, okay, go to the last tab on the mobile phone, and then click on the devices, and then you will ask you the add a device or paper key, and then which device you would like to add, and then you will like and then you will ask you to uh, scan the mobile phone, or maybe in computer you can type the key, something like the key, and then you can install the 3 devices in your computer. So that's it for the 3 device. You done with the 3 device. And then as I've told you before, uh, mm, you can verify you in the Twitter by tweeting something. I've already verified in the Twitter. I verify in the Twitter here, and then GitHub account, sure, which was created before 9 September 2019, and the create a stellar fundraising address. I've already have here. Just click in the stellar fundraising date, and I've already here, and I believe that I'm going to get the airdrop here. And uh, if if you haven't joined, you will ask you to join, verify your account. You'll verify your account here, and then they will give you the stellar. So you can read the article here. What is this? So you are in the next lumen airdrop will show up in your default wallet address. So I'm going to get the stellar lumen in this airdrop in this wallet. And what is this? The stellar network is encrypted networks which keybase now understand. It is lightning fast, 5-second per transaction, super inexpensive, less than a penny to use, and very environmentally friendly. The native token on stellar is called lumens, but stellar also support other token and currency we at keybase have blocked before. before why we are working with Stellar, and you can read more at Keybase at airdrop. If you want to learn more about the airdrop, you can go to there. And the giveaway, the Stellar Development Foundation SDF is a non-profit, and it is giving a total 2 billion lumens, over 100 million USD. This is the over 100 million USD out of Keybase user over the 1 to 2 years. So over the 1 to 2 years, they are going to airdrop um, 100 million worth of USD every month. Every month, SDF will be out an additional 100 million lumens to everyone who has registered, who is qualified. So to qualify, join the Keybase before 9 September 9, 2019. Congratulations. And or correct or connect to your GitHub HackerNode News account that is registered before the September 9 2019. Where are the lumens drop? Your fraction of the uh, 100 million lumen will fall straight into your default wallet account in the middle of each month. Expect a message from user at space drop. If you are curious how many people have registered, you can see at the uh, http keybase at airdrop. And anything else, who know, you will get fancy gold star badge on your profile. So that's all for the airdrop. And if you still have a confusion about the airdrop of the Stellar Lumen, just let us know in our comment below, or you can send us a message in Facebook or anywhere. We'll get back to you as soon as possible, and we are very happy to help you. If you are success, we will be success as well. Thank you guys.